Hello everyone, Alan here again, and welcome to Tracker Travels, and we are so excited to explore with you Waterworld Cebu. So samahan nyo kami guys mag-enjoy at magpakabata. Let's go! Pero, bago tayo mag-swimming, kain muna tayo para marami tayong energy. So, Waterworld Cebu is located in Mandawi City. Ang entrance niya ay nasa baba mismo ng bridge connecting Mandawi at Mactan Island. But you can ask Google Maps for specific details papunta dito. You can also check them on their Facebook page.
Waterworld.
Yay! First, we gonna change our clothes.
Yeah.
So open sila from Wednesday to Sunday, 9 AM hanggang 5 ng hapon. At para naman makapasok, you just have to pay an entrance fee na 350 per head pag weekdays at 400 naman pag weekends. Unlimited ligo na yan guys. Free entrance na rin para sa mga kids 3 feet and below. At sa labas pa lang makikita mo na ang mga naglalakihang slides at ang napakagandang entrance art nila na parang nagsasabing, "Come on, let's have some fun." So tara guys, pasok tayo. And by the way guys, if wala kayong swimming gears, I think meron din sila sa kanilang shop. At bago ka makapasok sa water house, kailangan mo munang mag-shower.
Woo! Yeah, hope it was natin.
At marami extreme and fun activities na pwede mong gawin dito, gaya ng i-try ang tornado slides, yung 15-meter slides nila, ang dare drop vertical slides na I think hindi na pwede sa mga kids, ang family rapid slides, river rapids, mag-enjoy sa giant wave pool, and many more.
Wow! Wait lang ha. 1, 2, 3, go! Be. Oh, lakad na. Okay. Sit down. Okay lang. Ready? Set. Dagat? Dali, dali.
Suway dito. Slide.
Ah, dito, nakasuway na ako.
Suway dito.
Huwag may bantayan ko daw. Oo.
Guys, ito pala yung mga slides nila na pang extreme na. At gusto ko sanang mai-try but walang opportunity. Hopefully sa sunod na punta namin, but enjoy pa din kaming dalawa ng anak ko maligo at magpa-slides dito sa water house. It's a great experience and one of the best quality time spent with your kid.
Ay. Oh, tapos na lang. Wait lang, wait lang. Okay. Let's go! Whoa! It's so much fun! Okay. You go first? One. Enjoying? Three, two, one.
Nakakagutom maligo. But don't worry guys, if wala kayong dalang pagkain gaya namin, meron sila ditong food house na nag-o-offer ng foods and drinks of your choice. At dyan na rin kami kumain bago kami umuwi. But you can also bring foods naman if you like. Meron lang kayong babayaran na corkage depende sa dami ng food na dala nyo.
One, two, three, go! You like it?
Guys, thank you so much for watching. It was an enjoying trip and one of the best and memorable experience, especially para sa mga bata because they will remember it always. And I hope nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you very much. Peace.